Hello from Chiangmai, Thailand. Mae Rim, actually, to be exact, outskirts of Chiangmai. So we're headed up to Pai, which is this small little mountain village town, little hippie town up in the mountains. Should be a good time. The road there is absolutely epic, they say. It's like Tail of the Dragon times 10. So we got a new bike. We got an Aerox 155. Should be enough power for both of us on the bike, I hope. This should be a good time. Let's go. Look at this. Lovely, right? Maybe not. With the gang. These guys are kitted out. They're probably doing the whole Mae Hong Son loop. Hi baby, Haroy. Front 150. And Roy Hasibha. This is definitely for strong, confident riders. This is... Woo! Are you cold? I had to stop and put a jacket on because you'll get in like these areas that drop literally 15 degrees. So, look at this. Lovely. Huh? Oranges? Ready to go? Yes. The chicken in the road. You walk? Oh, you want to walk? Okay. Chill, chill. She just took a big steamer. Dude, that's an elephant shit in the middle of nowhere. What the hell? Wild elephants. This guy's ripping. Zing, brother. We got 1 bar of gas left, and we got a little bit of ways to go, so I cut her off and I'm just coasting. Hopefully we don't run out. Uh-oh. Yeah, I gotta cut her on. Oh, we got 2 bars. Yay! Okay, we made it. Nice. I spilled gas all over my seat. Sweet. We're like 7 kilos to Pai. So lovely out here. A chicken crossing the road. Cute little quaint town. Look at this. Reminds me of like little towns in Colorado. You hungry? Oh man, this is awesome. All right, so we gotta find a hotel. I haven't bought one yet. It's the best part of traveling. Don't book everything in advance and then, no man, that's not travel. You get there, you see what you like, and then you get it. You're not rushing, you're not worrying, you're not, that's for suckers. Oh. Khao soi. Kway teow. Hey dudes. Here we are. This is the hotel for $14 a night. Oh. This is lovely, isn't it? Wow. Fantastic. Awesome. Okay. Okay, ขอบคุณครับ Wow.
เดี๋ยวถ้าออกมาเคาน์เตอร์ไม่เจอผมไม่เป็นไรนะครับก็เดี๋ยวผมเข้าไปอาบน้ำแป๊บ
โอเคค่ะ
ครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh, this is lovely little cottage. Okay, okay. You don't need air conditioning here. This is perfect. It's already like 65 degrees outside. Tonight it'll probably get down to like 50 something. Awesome.
เดี๋ยวลองถามมันกับมันนะไม่ดี
Yum. Hey, ขอบคุณครับ อร่อยมาก It's like stir-fried instant noodles. Look at these curry pastries. 10 baht, dude. 10 baht. Wow.
ไม่ดียูซี่
Yeah, ใช่
number one number twoมันที่โบอ๋อ
Gan Kieu Wan. ใช่ Uh-huh. One.
เอาไส้ถั่วหนึ่งแล้วก็เป็นถั่วหวาน
Oh, man. Baby.
ให้ไปพูดเลยนะ
Oh, roti. I want roti, baby. Best shit in the world.
No, you in your pajamas.
Oh, okay. Let's try this chicken green curry pastry, Gan Kieu Wan. Good. Oh, baby. That's fantastic. 10 baht. Like, what is that? 30 cents? Burr. It's like 10 degrees out, which is like 49 or 50 Fahrenheit. It's pretty nippy. Maybe I've gotten a little soft being here for such a long time, but it's pretty chilly. Look at this lovely town. Had to get up and get some coffee. Go get some drone shots. These mountains are amazing over here. Let's go. Look at this scenery, man. This is spectacular. This is fantastic. These wild dogs are insane also. Yeah, he's coming for me. I want to fly the drone, but I'm worried about these guys friggin' jumping me. They do not play. Hey, bud. We're here at Pai Canyon. Supposedly it's really good. A lot of stairs. But this is lovely out here. I wish it wasn't burning season, man. You can't see any of the mountains. All the smoke. Photos look kind of crap because it's just white. So we'll see how this canyon is. I got a little hike ahead of me. Come here. Dude, this is pretty sick. Pretty intense. Ooh. Peace out, Pai Thailand. Lovely place. What a lovely little town. Hippie town. Look at this scenery around. So good. So we got like, if we go to Chiangmai today, that's about 300 kilos. It's about 185 miles. So that should be fun. Check out our long haul setup. You ready? Yeah. Okay, let's go. The road here is one of the best in the world. People come here from around the world just to drive this road. It's like, I think there's like t-shirts and stuff for sale in town. It's like 762 turns in like 100 mile. I forget what it is, but it's awesome. So let's have fun. Bye. Woo, doggy, hitting them apexes, baby. Oh, that's a big truck. Hey guys! I had to stop for a second. There's slow ass cars in front of me. These are the best. These wasabi green peas. Hello? These fucking trucks, man, you really gotta watch out for these things. They will take up the whole. They'll be in the whole damn both lanes. Woo! Wasabi can hit you in the face. Clears you up. This old girl's doing pretty good. Got good tires on her too. Okay, back in Chiang Mai where the traffic is crazy. Already see an accident. Yay. Damn, he hit the side of that truck. Huh? Oh, on a big bike. No. Damn, he hit the side of that truck hard. Sheesh. Sorry.